Let's do Ask Halftime. We got some questions coming in. Labenthal, you're first. From Gene in Florida. Any updates on Cleveland Cliffs?
Good question. So they're buying AK Steel. Look, I think what's going on here, first you got to understand the story behind Cleveland Cliffs is Lourenco Goncalves, the CEO. This is as dynamic a business leader you're ever going to find. He tried to give shareholders an extra dividend back in September. The market for the stock went down 15%. He said, to heck with it. I'm not returning shareholder capital anymore if that's how you're going to treat me. I'm going to buy a company that I can fix up. Listen, I got to be honest. I don't generally buy steel or iron ore companies. This is about Lourenco Goncalves. This is a very unique individual.
Gutsy, because AKS is bad.
He can handle it. Have you seen what he did with Cleveland Cliffs? This thing was headed for the dustbin of history.
No, I like the guy.
I'm not coming at you. I'm just saying.
No, I buried a stake in your heart earlier. You know when I'm coming at you. Don't worry about it.
Believe you'll know. Okay.
Yeah, but let's not spike the football.
John, from Rich in New York on Slack.
Sir. This is one of those, Scott, it's an awful lot like Uber and Lyft as far as it's something that many of us use every day or use an awful lot, but it doesn't make any money. They have revenue, but they don't make profit. I would not buy it ahead of these earnings, Scott. I still see downside to maybe 18 or 17 bucks.
Wow.
So I'd lay off, and then you can pull the trigger. That's $4 or $5 lower than where it is right now.
Okay. CEO, by the way, Stuart Butterfield's going to be on Squawk Box tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. First on CNBC
smart
interview.
Guy. Yeah. You know, just in the wrong tape for that kind of environment.
Check that out tomorrow. Pete, for you from Shay in New York, Luckin Coffee.
Love the name. I was lucky enough to get into this name actually in the low 20s, about 21, something like that. I have no plans to get out of this name because I think the chase for Starbucks, they're showing that they can attack. Now, they're going to have to show that they can make money sooner or later because right now they're still not making money, but I think they will in the future. And they are catching up on Starbucks very rapidly in China.
Did you just add to Starbucks or buy it?
Yeah, to 83. Kevin Johnson's doing a fantastic job. And the stock came down from 99. I really think it was just oversold. He's buying back stock hand over fist. He said it to me at the Air Force Academy.
Okay. We have a question for you from Johnny in Ohio. What financial stocks are a buy right now?
Well, it's still easy. It's JP Morgan, which is still the best. But MasterCard announced an $8 billion buyback yesterday, an increase in dividend. Nobody seems to care. I think that's a mistake. Remember, it's fintech, and you have to have both fintech and just regular bank.
Okay. Megan from Sanjay in New York, builders, the home builders for 2020.
Home
good
builders,
play or not?
They've had a good run. They're up about 15% this year, but if you elongate that and look over a 2-year horizon, they're still trailing the market. We think there's opportunity. Housing made a positive contribution to GDP for the first time in about 6 quarters in the third quarter of 2019. So I think that we still have further to run. Mortgage rates are a big help there.